Hinterland Customs, and I got something in the mail today. I just wanted to do a quick kit review for. I picked up a couple of these. This is AMT's motorcycle and accessories double dirt bikes. There are two 70s era dirt bikes in this. I'll bring that up so you can see it closer. And cost-wise, looking at some different prices on the net, these averaging right now, for I could tell, about $13.50 in US dollars. So I just thought I'd open this up and see what we got. Move this out of the way. Don't cut towards myself there. Learned that the hard way. And maybe we'll put this back up. A little bit better. Okay. Let's just open these up, see what we got. So there's just a little tray there that everything's in. I believe there's see what I'm doing here. Yep, we got some twisty ties. Okay. And we'll just work on these. Or, better yet, we will just find the other one there. There we go. And here we are. We got two sprues. Not a lot to it parts wise. It's pretty simple, but I'm going to show you the detail on that a little better. You can see that. The body there. And the tailpipe. Handlebars. The wheels come in halves, as you can see. They come in two halves, as well as many of the parts. So there'll be a little bit of sanding and filling on something such as this, but I don't see, from a flash standpoint, very low flash on it, considering a little bit here and there, but not much. You know, this is a pretty cool kit. I picked up a couple of these again. I felt like it sounds like people have been asking for these a long time, trying to get some ATV stuff going with the 124 scale, 125 scale lineup. You can, you know, have these in the back of a pickup. You can present it in a diorama. You can have it, you know, zombie apocalypse with a figure. You can have it in junkyard parts, hanging on a wall, whatever you want to do. But that's it. Pretty much it. Pretty plain Jane, not a lot going on, but definitely enough. I think these will be nice to give a shot. The tires have quite a bit of tread on them, if you can see that. Yeah, you've got quite a bit of teeth there. So that's pretty much it. I don't know a lot more about this kit. This just recently came out. Again, the instructions are on the back of the box, and from what I can tell online, it's retailing for an average about $13.50 for the pack. But I will build one of these down the road. You know, it's not a game changer necessarily, but at the same time, like I said, for something to you know, you get to working on your, put a little bit of work into them. They'll look really nice in the, or on, you know, on the back of a pickup, or if you build a custom trailer for them, you know, to create a scene like that. Not bad. So haven't put it together yet, but anyway, thanks for watching. That's my kit review for the AMT motorcycle and accessories double dirt bikes. Well, this is Hinterland Customs signing out, and we'll see you down the road.